you try and find some of that equipment, please? That's on the board.
Samuel, you're putting on that side.
Charlie, you're back. You washed your hands?
Yes, I did.
Okay, can you help work with Angelos? You want to find all that equipment?
Yeah, there's none of them. Wait, this one.
Charlie, once you're in here, and then I do want you to go and wash your hands again, please. Because whilst you've been to the toilet and everything, I still want to see you washed your hands in here. Thank you.
Yeah.
Right, okay. And you need to come over here, Angela. Okay, let's go through you. Right, let's just listen. Everyone listen, because we've got a lot going on, and I want everyone just listening. Thank you. Right, okay. So we're lucky that we have 3 of the Sims. I don't think so, Charlie and
Angelos.
Angelos, okay, you are working together, okay? So what that means is Jill is going to help you, right? Arcel, do you mind? I'm going to put up in a moment with Alex and Ross. Would you mind helping them with the stove? I'm going to put that up in a moment. That's not your one, that's the brownie one. Okay, and Lydia, we're going to help with both between Samuel, Ian and Okay.
I know.
Right, your equipment in pairs now. Your equipment. Hold on a moment. Your equipment in pairs for the brownies is on the board. So I expect you, excuse me, to go and.
You're in pairs, yeah? Look at your equipment list and get your equipment out.
So, Angelos and Charlie, you're getting your equipment from the board. Samuel and Kian, you're working together to get your equipment.
Communicate between each other and see who's getting which in between and you get other one out.
So tape.
Right, and Ross and Alex, Charlie's going to help you. So, what you are going to do,
We need the medium-sized
you're
square
going to get your
baking
vegetables
tin.
and everything that was bought for you.
I've got one. There's
So,
a
get
table.
that in front of you.
Where it says
You need to
lamp
stop
light.
your laptop. And rinse.
Yeah.
We need the medium-sized square baking tin as well.
Bacon tins.
Should be.
Yeah. Hello, Q. How are you?
Stay here. Stay here, Ross, with the calendar.
Well, they're probably about.
Yeah, here.
Oh, wait.
Take everything, Ross.
We got some, sorry.
We only need one.
Yeah, I think only one.
That's a baking tray,
Are
not a
you
tin.
sure, Alex?
Why is that chair there? I've done the chair in the way.
I don't know why.
No, the side.
Can I have a look?
So, the tin, like bacon tin.
Can you
Is
want
this
to see
right?
this one?
Charlie,
Try.
this, isn't it?
That's a bacon.
Under the muffin.
Oh,
This right one.
That one.
Yeah. The last second.
Yeah, one. Yeah, that's a baking tin. So we need one.
right then, so.
One between two.
Wait,
Yeah.
which
One more, please.
Which one's a bacon tin?
This one,
This one.
Samuel's got some tin.
Oh, one like this.
It's not.
What do you need to do?
Sam, you can go there.
And go.
I'm not sure if I can find another baking tin.
Have you got your scale?
Hang on. I can't really find another baking tin.
Can
I
you
don't
not?
know if I can see another baking tin.
Right, boss.
Yeah.
What is this one?
Find a baking tin.
What's this one for? Yeah.
Come on. So you're going to line that and
Thank you.
Angelos, you're going to line that, yeah? Your tin. Why do you need that? That's a tray. That's a tin. Yeah? Put 'em. Right, you've got everything off the list because I need to move the board on now.
Right, so you need one saucepan now.
They have.
Charlie, can you leave that? Come round and get a saucepan. A medium size saucepan, please.
Medium.
That is one.
There's one. This.
Get the scales as well. You don't have scales.
Yeah, on between toes. So the chairs. So there's Kian is working with.
I got one between toes. Yeah.
Kian, Charlie and Angelos one between toes.
Charlie, can you go and check this?
Yeah, one between toes. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
I can't find the small one, so
Excuse me, please, to Alex.
Oh, Alex.
I don't have the small.
That's fine, that's perfect. That's perfect.
If you don't know, you can wait for the cat because even I don't know how to write.
Chips.
Wait, Catherine.
Right, let's move on then, because I need to help the others now.
Wait, Catherine. Where's the other
They're in the house.
Oh.
Right, Alex and Ross, your equipment that you need. What's your thing? Maybe
I
you
don't, yeah, I don't know. Oh,
Okay.
those.
Then we start
Only
with the
need
equipment
one.
first.
No, we need two.
Oh,
Like on the side over here, inside.
Right, that's your equipment to get, yeah?
So you need two need to decide who's getting which one, okay?
I'll get,
We've already got these ones. I'll get the wooden spoon and the pan.
right,
I always got the
okay,
chopping board.
your ingredients